Hey guys, it's Noah here, and today we're going to be testing newest member against free current members. We're going to be testing newest member against current members. Newest member, we have the Eureka AirSpeed. The current member on the right is a Eureka Optima, and in the current one on the left is a Hoover WindTunnel Self-Propelled. Let's see what happens. We're going to be starting with the Eureka Optima right here, and we're going to see how well it takes, see how well it picks up the shredded paper. So here we go. Strain. Okay, that did pretty good, but it did leave like 2 pieces in its path. All right, now it's time for the Eureka AirSpeed. It did just leave 1 piece right there. Same with the Eureka Optima, except that one left 2 pieces. It's strange. Okay, time for the Hoover WindTunnel Self-Propelled. I had to do more than 1 passes with the WindTunnel because there was more shredded paper on this side, more than the Eureka and more than the AirSpeed and the Optima. So thank you all for watching the video. Please comment and subscribe for more.